Somebody wake me up. Someone should just pinch me and wake me up so I know I'm not dreaming. Cause what? Oh my goodness. Guys, God is real. God is real. If someone had told me 3 months ago that I would monetize this particular YouTube channel in less than 3 months, I would have laughed, to be honest, because this channel was not even part of my original plan. Imagine something you didn't even plan to do at all, but somehow you found yourself doing it. You set your heart on it, involved God, and believe that even if it wasn't perfect, you're going to do better this time. I got my YouTube channel monetized in just 3 months, and this is my testimony. This YouTube channel was born out of fear and out of confusion. At that time, I remember I was at the verge of losing my main channel. Yes, I had about, was it two community guidelines strike on my main channel, and that got me so scared because that was like my main channel. Everything I've done on that channel was about to like be terminated in seconds, and I was like, what can I do? Because according to YouTube, if I continued posting on that channel with the 2 strike that the channel already had, there's a tendency that I might get another strike, and once I get that 3rd strike, boom, everything is gone. That was when the idea of starting afresh came to my mind. Imagine starting afresh. It's actually not easy to make some certain decisions, but I don't know, to me, I'm just like starting afresh on YouTube. We all know YouTube now. We all know YouTube, how people say it's so hard to grow a YouTube channel. So people have immediately, they post for like 1 week, they give up. So I thought of starting afresh, starting from my first video with no subscribers at all. And just think about it. That was what came to my mind because I was scared of posting on that main channel. Imagine I continued posting and then one day YouTube flags down another video and then that leads to a channel termination. That would have been very bad. So I thought of starting afresh because I had to post. I had to keep giving you guys content. I had to like keep recording videos, filming, and then posting. And then that was what came to my mind. I decided to start afresh on this channel. So when I started, I was actually skeptical of this channel's growth because it's not that easy for your video to, gain traction on YouTube. When you post your first video now, before you even get 1 views, maybe you're the one that will be the first viewer. You get what I'm trying to say? Thankfully, I already have like a community of members from my old channel and, on WhatsApp. So I just informed some of you guys and you guys came through for me. You saw my first video, which was the announcement video I made. You can go and check it out. The first video I made announcing the whole brouhaha and then how I was going to like build on this channel. But that wasn't still enough. Do you know? That wasn't still enough because if I had just posted that first video and then have like maybe 100 of you from my old channel subscribe and then I did nothing at all, this channel that I'm recording and filming this video currently on would have been long dead by now. Growing this YouTube channel taught me what consistency means and where are the areas where I needed to apply consistency in order for me to grow this channel. Being consistent on YouTube doesn't necessarily mean posting every day or posting daily like people would advise you to do. Consistency actually starts from your very first video. Even when you create your YouTube channel, yes, consistency is really wide. You have to be consistent in your keywords. I don't know if you know that. In the use of keywords, the keywords that you put in your video descriptions, your channel description, your channel name, channel handle, and every other place you can find in your YouTube studio. the keywords you put there are very important. And it's important that whenever you are posting any video, you are putting the keywords in your title, in your thumbnail, in your video description, and in your pinned comments. Because yes, you need to have a pinned comment on every video. This is all I did. Pay attention. So now, when they say consistency, it doesn't just mean posting every day. When I started my YouTube channel, I didn't post like every day, but I think I posted on the first 3 days, if I'm not mistaken, and then on the next week I posted. That is still part of consistency, because you are not just creating your channel and abandoning it. I don't know if you get it. You have to create a channel, place all the necessary keywords, and then be consistent in the use of those keywords. Be consistent in how you design your title. The way you apply, or the way you craft your title today should not change in your next video. I hope you're getting something. These are all the things I learned, and I would like every YouTuber out there to pen this down if possible. Write it down somewhere, because if you want to take YouTube seriously, you need all this. I learned this, and no one taught me, no coach taught me, but you are opportune to see me share something like this, then you should actually take it seriously. Before I even craft my title, I need to make research on how popular creators in my niche are crafting their title. When I make the research, I search for videos in that niche, maybe surrounding the particular topic I'm about to create a video on YouTube, and then design my title to be like their title. If it works the first time, I do something like that in my next video. On and on and on. Same goes with your video description. Same goes with your thumbnail. I realized that a particular thumbnail template rather worked for me on my YouTube channel. And for me to even realize all this, I didn't just post one video and leave my channel. I hope you get it. I didn't just post one video and leave my channel. As I was posting my videos, I was learning, I was unlearning at the same time, and I was testing and experimenting so many things, because you need to know what works for your channel before you continue to apply it. Because once you found what works for your channel, from the YouTube thumbnail to the title to the content, you have to continue or consistently implement those things. One thing I would like to tell you is that in your first month on YouTube, make sure you're consistently posting. You could post 3 videos in your first week, post 4 in your second week, but make sure in the first month you post like consistently, and you're posting value-packed videos, not just any random video. I get what I'm trying to say. And you're posting content on whatever is trending in that your particular niche. After posting actively on your YouTube channel for the first month, you can then decide to give your channel a rest. Many of you don't know that your channel actually needs rest, and this particular rest that your channel gets also contributes to growing your channel. Now, what happened to this channel when I was growing it? I'm actually a student in the university currently, and I just concluded my teaching practice. So balancing YouTube content creation with all of this and my personal life has been a struggle. Okay, so imagine being a student. You know how student life is now, and then I'm running a YouTube channel at the same time. It was not easy. So I had to take a break. I think that was during my exam period. I took a break on this channel. I just left it because I already found what was working for my channel. In the first month, I posted the video on live streaming apps, and then it went viral. All of a sudden, 8,000 views. I was like, what's going on? What am I doing right? And I kept on watching those videos to see what I was doing, what I was using, especially in the description and every other thing. And mind you, I was providing value-packed videos, not just any random videos that were actually helping people in real time. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So I had to give my channel a break, and I focused on my studies. Giving my channel a break, I saw that my videos were gaining traction. The videos I already put like up to, if I'm not mistaken, I think I already posted like 8 to 9 videos on my channel before I gave it a break. And then I came to post one video after leaving my channel for like, I think a month, if I'm not mistaken. Lo and behold, that video I posted without preparing for that video, still in my niche, implementing the same thing I used on other videos that I've learned works for my channel, went viral in the space of how many days? At the moment, I think at the time I'm filming this video, that video should be over 21,000 views. What has never happened to my whole channel? In the history of my whole channel, I've not, you get what I'm trying to say? I've not gained such amount of views in a short while, to be honest. And I was like, what happened? Give your channel the chance to rest after you've posted and posted and posted so many videos, because that rest gives your gives the YouTube algorithm time to better understand all your videos and push your old videos out to more audience to watch. And then when they now see that, oh, people are interacting with these videos and this is what this channel is all about, when you post a video, it's going to be a banger. It took me almost 2 years plus to monetize my first YouTube channel ever. And now it took me just 3 months of consistency and inconsistency, because I told you I took a break on my YouTube channel to grow this channel to monetization. Funny enough, I think it took only 26 videos on this channel to get there. If you check my whole channel, over 200 videos. So what was I not doing right in the past for years that didn't get me monetized in time? Those are the questions I kept asking myself. Truth now is that YouTube is actually easy to grow. I was proud of myself. In fact, I'm still proud of myself that it took me only 26 videos to grow my channel to almost 4,000 subscribers and monetization. Like, we are monetized, guys. This channel is already earning YouTube money. It's not good to give up. When you set your mind to something, make sure you pursue it and not give up. Even though you come across trial times, don't give up. Someone asked me a question. It says, where do you get this motivation to keep on going? And we just keep seeing, like, there are many of you that see me thriving and you are still where you are today, and you wonder, then how do I get this spirit and motivation to keep pushing? It's not easy, yes, I know, but when you tell yourself something and then you look at the future, you see the future, imaginary future, that this is where you want to be, this is where you want to get to, and then you walk towards it. I think that's just it. No matter the pains, no matter the stress, no matter anything, you make sure you gather the resources and then you walk towards it. You will surely get there, because most especially when you add God to it. I remember at the beginning of this channel, I was saying things like, it was me talking to God. When this channel gets to monetization, I want it to serve as a, blessings to many others. I was telling you that do not miss this, because I think this channel is going somewhere. Take a look at this. I posted this on my YouTube channel 3 months ago. This is my YouTube channel name. You can see it here. You can see that this is my post on my YouTube channel. And this is what it says. 3 months from now, you will be in a better situation. Claim it. I just saw it on YouTube and decided to just post it. And, at the same time, I was praying for this YouTube channel. Not knowing that in 3 months' time, this channel will be in a better situation. God, go and check my old videos. I think my first 2 videos, you hear me saying it and you'll be shocked. You'll be like, did you know that this is going to happen to you in like few months' time? How did you know all this? I just don't know what happened, but to be honest, I'm excited and beyond excited. And that's why in today's video, yes, I'm going to be gifting somebody. This is one woman that I've consistently commented on my YouTube channel. She has engaged on my YouTube videos, and when I started this YouTube channel, she was part of my new subscribers, but she stayed consistent, and that is why in today's video I'll be giving out a cash reward to this particular woman. Just so you guys don't begin to doubt or begin to think that she's someone I know. I'm going to show you directly from my YouTube studio, so you will see by yourself that yes, this woman truly deserves this cash reward. And yeah, I'll be calling out her name. Well, please, if you're seeing this video, kindly leave a message in the comment section below. You're going to be the first person I'll be gifting to celebrate this YouTube channel's monetization. Yay! So according to the screenshots on your screen right now, taken from my YouTube studio, I'll be gifting this woman. I think her name should be Blessed Ike, but our YouTube channel name is Blessed Ike and Celine. So take a look at the screenshots. She has been the most active commenter with over 30 comments on my YouTube channel. I remember even when I was starting afresh on this channel, she commented on my very first video. She commented on my subsequent videos. She commented even when I post like a YouTube post, just like when you post on Facebook, where many others may not see it on YouTube. She responds like there's proof for everything here. And I was like, no. Now that this channel has gotten monetized, and because I spoke of this channel serving as blessings to many others that are subscribers of this channel and viewers of the videos on this channel, I need to give her something. And coincidentally, her name is Blessing. So now I'll be giving you Mrs. Blessed Ike. Please correct me, I don't really know your real name, but this is what I see on my community what's it called, spotlight on my YouTube studio. I believe that should be your YouTube channel name though. So I'll be gifting you a sum of 5,000 naira. So Blessed Ike and Celine, I'm waiting for your comments below, and once I get your comments to discuss how I can credit your cash reward. A big congratulations to you, ma. So guys, this is actually where I'm going to wrap this video up, but before I do so, let me just quickly say this. If you're a small YouTuber that's just growing his or her YouTube channel, you're an aspiring YouTuber, meaning you just want to start YouTube, I want to tell you that you should go for it. Yes, go for it, because YouTube is now easy. It's very easy for you to go viral on YouTube now, as long as you're posting value-packed content consistently and you don't stop. Don't give up on your YouTube channel. Don't give up on your YouTube channel at all. Keep on posting, because one particular video, just one particular video, is what you need to get there. That's why you need to keep on posting. Assuming you stop posting along the line, you wouldn't be able to post that particular video that's just the video that you need to help your channel thrive. You understand what I'm trying to say? If you like me to discuss YouTube monetization, YouTube growth, how to get views, what to post and all that, you can let me know in the comment section below. I'm thinking of starting up live stream on my YouTube channel, because I've never for once live streamed on YouTube. So I'm thinking of live streaming on YouTube maybe once in a while, teaching you guys all these things I've learned so far for free. So if you are interested in this, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much. I know many of you are already dropping congratulations in the comment section below. As you do so will you all be congratulated as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everything, to all my subscribers, my viewers, to those that have been taking time to engage consistently on this channel. Just because I brought one person doesn't mean I don't see the others, and definitely with time we'll be doing more of these. So make sure you are engaging on all my videos. You don't know whether yours could be the large cut, like baby. You understand what I'm trying to say? This is Smart Hustles with Jessica, and I am passionate about sharing real ways on how to make money online, from legit side hustles to money making apps, and anything legit that can help you turn small money into something big. If you know this type of content interests you, all you have to do is to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I post my future videos, you get a notification. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you learned a lot from my lessons and my testimony. Thank you so much. And yes guys, we did it again. God did it. We are monetized. Thank you for watching. Bye.